Welcome back to day 3 of our primary bedroom makeover. Today we're building the dresser, adding the final decor touches, and it was kind of a disaster. Okay, that was dramatic, but let's just say it was a letdown. I just wasn't thrilled, which I typically like to be thrilled about $300 purchases, but this dresser, y'all, it was a journey. She's kind of orange. Like, she's just not a super light oak. She's a little bit orange, and on top of that, it's literally made for a dollhouse. This dresser could fit inside of a dollhouse. It's so small. I did girl math. I took a quick look at the measurements, and I said, I'm sure it'll be fine. It'll be great whenever it gets here. And it's kind of fine. It's kind of whatever. It's honestly a placeholder anyways. Look at her. She's pretty, but she's just a little small. In order to take a break from my mental health, I headed straight off to Target because I really wanted a pair of new patterned sheets, and I really love the way that these look, but I was torn between these two. I ended up going with the one on the left. Our current sheets are not deep pocket sheets, and these most definitely are, which I'm so excited. They're already staying on the bed 10 times better. And then I also got these little accent pillows for our 2 chairs. I originally went to Target to get some stuff to style the dresser, but the dresser does not need much styling because there's just not much room. I promise I'll stop complaining about it eventually. I just really needed to get that off my chest. So we got home, I laid all of it out, and now it's time to tackle this disaster. Like, what is this lamp? Why is there a basketball hoop and a lawnmower? I don't know. The first thing we did was move this dresser out of the way. I forgot how heavy it was. I listed it for free on our community garage sale page, and someone was here to pick it up in 15 minutes. It was incredible. I added a large picture frame and a tree to give it some height. We will be lowering the TV, and then I fixed this disaster of a lamp and added it in between these 2 chairs with a side table I had from my office. Now I was starting to feel like it was all kind of coming together, and the dresser was less of a disaster. Then I added the new sheets onto our bed. As you could see, the last sheets just actually didn't fit. These are so much better, and I love the way it looks all together. I cannot and will not ever get over this bed frame. Seriously, it just brought the whole room together. I'm so obsessed. It feels like a hotel. Then I unboxed our curtains. These were actually from Target. I was obsessed with the pattern. As you could tell, I'm trying to add a few new patterns throughout the room just so it's not all sad beige. Okay, but these curtains are literally beige, but sad beige just brings me so much joy. The bed is my favorite addition, but these curtains are a close second. They just make the room feel so cozy and full. We still have a couple more projects. I'm waiting for wallpaper samples to come in. We have a massive wall we need to fill and some organization to do. But day 1, this is what we started with. It was pretty, but it just needed a little bit more, and this is what we are ending the day with. I could not be more excited. Stay tuned for day 4.